Hello, my dear students. How are you? Well, welcome back to the class. Okay, so let me start. GK Unit 5, Chapter number 34, Our Nation, यानी कि हमारा राष्ट्र. Here are some knowledgeable sentences about symbols of India. Read them carefully. National song is a part of Anand Math. There are three colors in our national flag: saffron, white and green. Saffron color signifies courage and sacrifice. White color signifies truth and peace. Green color signifies prosperity. The chakra is known as Dham Chakra. Chakra is taken from the Emperor Ashoka's lion pillar at Sarnath. The national flag was adopted on July 2, 1947. So the chakra is navy blue in color and has 24 spokes. The ratio of the width to the length of the flag is 2:3. And next one is, national song was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, and the Chaitra is the first month of Saka era. जो चैत्र मंथ होता है वो पहला मंथ होता है हमारा हिंदू कैलेंडर के हिसाब से. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 35. Famous sites. Let me start. Here are some famous sites of India. Write their locations. Okay, so with the help of guess corner. So number 1, बद्रीनाथ कहाँ पे है? उत्तरांचल, जिसको हम उत्तराखंड भी बोलते हैं. Number 2, रॉक गार्डन, चंडीगढ़. Okay, number 3 is Fatehpur Sikri. बीबी का मकबरा. नंबर 4, ये है महाराष्ट्र में. Number 5, Sun Temple, Konark. Number 6 is गोल गुम्बज. ये है बीजापुर में. Number 7, सोमनाथ टेम्पल, गुजरात. Number 8, डॉल म्यूजियम, दिल्ली. एंड साइंस सिटी, ये है कोलकाता में. Okay, so everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 36. First of Free India. Here are some first of Free India. Identify and write their names with the help of guess corner. Number 1, Dash was the first Governor General of India. C. Rajgopalachari. Number 2, Dash was the first president of Constituent Assembly of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dash was the first deputy prime minister of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Number 4, Dash was the first chief election commissioner of India. So who is? ये है सुकुमार सेन. Dash was the first chief justice of Supreme Court of India, Harilal J. Kania. Harilal J. Kania. Number 6, Dash was the first vice president of India. Number 6 ये है डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन। सर्वपल्ली राधा कृष्णन। Number 7. Dash was the first speaker of Lok Sabha. G.V. Maulankar. Number 8. Dash was the first Chief Justice of India who acted as the President of India. M. Hidayatullah. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 37. Chapter number 37, National Park. Here are some national parks of India. Write the names of places where they are located with the help of Guess Corner. Number 1, Kaziranga National Park, Assam. Okay, Bandhavgarh National Park, Madhya Pradesh. Hazaribagh Sanctuary, Jharkhand. Jim Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand. Number 5, Dachigam National Park, Kashmir. Number 6, Kanha National Park, Madhya Pradesh.
So on the way, Captain Woman on the other top. Oh, what the
Tadoba National Park, Maharashtra. Number 8, Sundarban Tiger Reserve. Banga. Okay, short. West Bengal. Sundarban Tiger Reserve, West Bengal. Number 9, Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary, Tamil Nadu. Dudhwa National Park, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, next one, 11, Bandipur Wildlife Sanctuary, Karnataka. Number 12, Wayanan Sanctuary, ये है केरला में. These are the national park. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 38. Nickname of Great Indians. Here are the pictures of some famous Indians. Okay, so write their nicknames with the help of Guess Corner. Number 1, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, लोकमान्य. इनको जो है क्या निकनेम था इनका, इनको लोकमान्य से बुलाते थे सब. नंबर 2, सरोजिनी नायडू. ये थी नाइटिंगेल ऑफ इंडिया. नेक्स्ट वन, नंबर 3, भगत सिंह. शहीद आजम बोलते थे इनको. शहीद आजम. नंबर 4, जवाहरलाल नेहरू चाचा. इनको बच्चे प्यार से चाचा नेहरू कह के पुकारते थे. Next one, number 5, Vallabhbhai Patel, Iron Man. Okay, so Vallabhbhai Patel, Iron Man. Number 6, Lala Lajpat Rai, Punjab Kesari. नंबर 7, सुभाष चंद्र बोस. तो इनके नाम के पहले नेताजी लगता था, सब इनको बोलते थे नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस, तो इनका निकनेम था नेताजी. नंबर 8, रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, इनको वो सब गुरुदेव बोलते थे. नंबर 9, इंदिरा गांधी, आयरन लेडी. नंबर 10, मदन मोहन मालवीय, इनको महामना के नाम से जाना जाता था. सो हिज नेम इज महामना. महामना. नंबर 11, एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम, मिसाइल मैन.
Yay.
So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 39, Union Territories. Here are some facts about Union Territories. Complete the sentences with the help of Guess Corner. Number 1, Dash was ruled by the French. 3 regions of this Union Territory fall in 3 different states. So it is Pondicherry. Number 2, Dash is the creation of the French architect Le Corbusier. In the city, you can visit the famous Rock Garden, Chandigarh. Number 3, Dash is the largest union territory in which you would find Indira Point. ये है अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड. हम इसको थोड़ा शॉर्ट में लिख देंगे. अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड. Number 4, Dash was ruled by Portuguese in 1952. It was officially inducted to the Indian Union on 11 August 1961. So the Dadar Nagar Haveli. Number 5, Dash was made a part of India in 1961. Carnival is celebrated in this territory. Number 5, it is Daman and Diu. Daman and Diu. Dash is a group of 27 coral islands. Its capital is Kavaratti. It is Lakshadweep. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 40, Old or New Name. Let me start. Here are old and new names of some cities, so match them correctly. Old name and new name. Let me start. Banaras, Varanasi. Bangalore, Bangalore. Cochin, Kochi. Madras, Chennai. Pune, Pune. Odisha, Odisha. I. Pataliputra. 7. Patna. Bombay, Mumbai. F. Uttaranchal, Uttarakhand. Baroda, Vadodara. K. Kanpur, Kanpur, and Trivandrum, Tiruvananthapuram. So the chapter is in here. Okay, everyone. So let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 41. Indian novelists. Here are the clues of some famous Indian novelists. Match them with their pictures. So let's start. Number 1. He was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize in 1913 for literature. Rabindranath Tagore. B. ठीक है ना, तो ये ऑप्शन आ जाएगा यहाँ पे बी. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for medicines in 1968. Sir Hargobind Khurana. Option is A. Number 3. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for physics in 1983. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. Option is D. Number 4. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for physics in 1930. So option is C. C.V. Raman. C. Venkata Raman. Number 5. She was awarded the Nobel Prize for Peace in 1979. Option G. Mother Teresa. Okay, यहाँ पे G. Mother Teresa. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 2001. V.S. Naipaul. Option E. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Economics in 1998. Amartya Sen. Option F. So, my dear students, the chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 42. Here are the names of some famous products. Write their relevant city with the help of Guess Corner. Number 1, silk sari, Kanchipuram. Number 2, jewelry, Jaipur. Number 3, carpet, Srinagar. Leather goods, Kanpur. Iron steel industry, Bokaro. Oil refining, Mathura. Sugar, Uttar Pradesh. Shipbuilding, Vishakhapatnam. Tea, Darjeeling, की Assam, Darjeeling. Number 10, automobile industry, Gurgaon. जिसको हम बोलते हैं गुरुग्राम. Number 11, jute industry, कोलकाता. Number 12, locks, Aligarh. Okay, so dear students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 43. Indian history. There are some facts about famous people of Indian history. So read them carefully. Number 1, Chanakya was the advisor of Chandragupta Maurya. है ना, वो चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य को क्या करता था, एडवाइस देता था, सलाह देता था. Mahmud of Ghazni invaded India 17 times. Number 3, Mangal Pandey was the hero of the 1857 War of Independence. Bahadur Shah Zafar was the last Mughal emperor to rule over Delhi. Number 5, Sher Shah Suri built the Grand Trunk Road. Number 6, Shah Jahan built the Red Fort and the Taj Mahal. Number 7, Tansen was the famous singer at Akbar's court. Ashoka built the famous stupa at. Okay, so students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 44. It's time to dance. So here are the pictures of some dance styles. So write the states where they are mainly performed. Take the help of guest corner. Number 1. Polkal Kuthirai, Tamil Nadu. Number 2. Bihu, Assam. Dandiya, Gujarat. Raf, Jammu and Kashmir, J&K. Lavani, Maharashtra. Number 6, Dol Cholan, Manipur. Okay, next one. Gumar, Rajasthan. Next one, number 8. Odisha. Chau. West Bengal. Number 10. Hosagiri. Number 11. Shiro, Mizoram. Gidda, Punjab. Okay. So students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 45. Indian woman. Here are some famous Indian women. Write their names with the help of guest corner. So let we start. Dash was the first woman governor of state. Sarojini Naidu. Dash was the first Indian woman to go into the space. Kalpana Chawla. Dash is the first woman to climb Mount Everest. Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal. Dash is the first Indian woman to be crowned Miss Universe. Sushmita Sen. Dash is the first Indian woman IPS officer. Kiran Bedi. Dash was the first woman chief minister of UP. Suchita Kriplani. Dash is the first woman weightlifter to win bronze in Olympic. Question number 7. Dash is the first woman weightlifter to win bronze in Olympics. So ये है Karnam Malleshwari. इनका हम नाम थोड़ा शॉर्ट में लिख देते, चलो पूरा लिख देते हैं. Dash is the first Indian girl to win medal in World Athletic Championship. Anju Bobby George. Anju Bobby George. Okay. So my dear students, all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet in the next class. Thank you.